The delicious taste of sweet maple is hard to beat. It's a popular condiment on waffles, pancakes, and French toast, and is used in baking as a natural sweetener. This sensational maple frosting or buttercream frosting with maple extract will make your taste buds happy. The combination of creamy buttercream and the pleasing taste of maple makes for an excellent frosting. This maple buttercream goes well with spice cakes and cookies. This recipe is easy to make and requires no prior baking experience. What you will need. Ingredients. 4 cups confectioner's sugar. 6 tablespoons butter, softened. 4 tablespoons maple syrup. 2 teaspoons maple extract. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. In a large bowl, beat the butter until it reaches a fluffy consistency. Step 2. Mix the confectioner's sugar in, adding 1 cup at a time. Mix until fully incorporated. Step 3. Add the maple syrup and maple extract. Beat the mixture until fully combined and the frosting has reached a fluffy consistency. This buttercream frosting pairs great with a spice cake, as the maple and spice complement each other. Tips and tricks. When buying the maple syrup and maple extract, you want to make sure to buy real maple and not imitation. Real maple will have a purer maple taste and isn't packed full of added sugar like imitation maple syrup is. Maple syrup can be found online and in grocery stores. Maple extract can also be found online and in most grocery stores, but it sometimes can be hard to find in stores. This maple buttercream frosting can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days. It can be stored in the fridge for up to a week and in the freezer for up to 6 months. After removing from the fridge, you will want to let the frosting reach room temperature and re-whip before serving, as the frosting may have separated. Maple syrup has a long shelf life. After opening your maple syrup, it is recommended to store it in the fridge, though you don't have to. Refrigerating maple syrup discourages mold from growing and allows it to stay fresh for longer. If you are looking for the perfect sweet and savory combination, maple bacon cupcakes are where it is at. The grouping of a maple cupcake, maple buttercream, and bacon pieces has become a popular specialty cupcake at many bakeries thanks to the sweet and savory balance. The naturally sweet flavor of maple pairs great with many different desserts. It is a popular frosting choice for many fall and winter desserts. Apple cake, spice cake, maple cake, white cake, sugar cookies, and spice cookies all taste great with maple buttercream frosting. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.